Hi guys, so I thought I'd do a quick vid. I'll turn you around this way actually. Now I went and bought one of these just to double check everything. Now I've taken out my master cylinder and I'll stick this thing in here, level it up. I put some, that's rubber grease, and that's roughly right. Now I've measured all this off the old master cylinder. Right, that's right there. Check this out. Now I measured it off the old one. And now I'm going to have to try and do something. Hang on. I can't leave it on there because the bloody magnets on it do not stick. Just got to change hands. Sorry about the muck about. But look at the difference. Now I measured that off the old master cylinder. That's about 3 inches away. See that? So don't trust your old master cylinders. Maybe you're better off just paying out for this part. Look at the difference. I can't get over that. So it goes to show, buy the right tools, doesn't it? So let's see what this does. That's a big difference. Okay, I can't leave. Oh, it's going to sit there this time. Before it didn't sit there. But that's a hell of a gap. And I measured that off the old master cylinder to this one, and I even used the calipers, the depth calipers and everything, and that's probably what, 2-3 inches away. Unbelievable. So if you're doing this, buy this tool. It's only like 10 bucks, so it's worth it. There you go guys, just thought I'd do that quick video for you, and I'll let you know what I think of the brakes after this. Okay, I'm back. So there you go, see how much it's gone in. Now it's just nearly touching it, so they say you should actually put a little caliper in there, but I will take it back a quarter turn, tightening it up. So we'll see how we go now, what the brakes will be like. But that was a big difference. That was, as I said, about 3 mil. So no wonder my brake was going halfway to the floor. Back in a minute. So now I've taken it back a whisker. So it's not touching, but it's damn close. So now I'll tell you what it feels like inside now. Okay, done. Hopefully that'll make a hell of a difference. That grease there, as I said, it's only rubber grease. I just thought I'd put a bit around that, the rubber on the inside of this seal. It just protects the rubber for a bit longer. Now we'll just see how it goes and I'll let you know. So don't forget, thank you. You know I do lots of shit. Bye.